Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lalay Breen and today we are going to unboxing and reviewing at the same time of this product that I got here, which is Shark Ultracyclone Pro Vacuum Cleaner. So let's get started unboxing this product and let's see if this vacuum cleaner works really good. So this is Shark Ultracyclone Pro. So it is ultra powerful suction and long lasting performance. Let's get started. So here, so they have this charger right here. So the charger, and then else we have, this is the brush right here, brush, and yes, short manual. This is that there, and we do have this one too, the extendable suction. I don't know if that is correct. And the last one is this vacuum. So it's all here. And here you go. This is the vacuum Shark Ultracyclone Shark Ultracyclone. So here, and so paano pa ito gamitin? So this is the power on and off here, and then so here you go. This is the power on and off, and then this is the for pulling the dirt right here. Pull when it, if you change this filter here, you can change it, this filter. All you have to do is take this off, and then here when it's already full, so you just, all you have to do is in here, so you push it and it's gonna open it, so you can clean. And so there you go, there. And then if you need this brush, so all you have to do is just put this in here like that, or if you want to grab something in the very small area, so you can use this one. There you go. Now let's move on. Now, so it's on it. This is on. See, you see the lights? Yeah. So we need to charge this one first because it's already low bat. Okay, so and then after I charge it, then we're gonna clean up my car. I'll show you if this Shark's Ultracyclone Pro vacuum works really good. Okay, so ito nga pala yung charger. Yan, i-charge muna natin ito. So ayan, ito siya. napakahaba ng charger na ito. Siguro mga ilang foot nga ba ito. So ayan, i-charge muna natin bago natin gamitin. So ititest natin ito sa ating sasakyan kung talagang mag-work ito dito sa madumi kong sasakyan. Okay, let's go. So ito na. So I'm just gonna use this tools. Push this one. Push this button. And it's on. Okay. Ang daming super dumi ng ating sasakyan, guys. I'm gonna remove this. So that's it for today. Nakita nyo naman kung paano ko ito ginamit and how this Shark performance work. And if you would like to purchase this kind of vacuum cleaner, then I'm just gonna put the link in my description box so that you can order it directly to my link. Just click that link in my description box and then they will get you there in the website where I bought this vacuum cleaner. So thank you again, and for those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, just go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified sa mga unboxing ko pang mga videos. We'll see you in my next video.